Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris. I'll be your cruise director. We think that makeup is for everybody, every gender, every skin tone, every income level, every ability, and every disability, and that's kind of what sparked everything. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors. And I just wanted to show that you do not have to give up what you love. If you have a few challenges, you just kind of tweak things and work through them. So my vision is for this to be a very inclusive community for everybody, makeup pros, makeup mavens, people new to makeup, or people who just like to talk about makeup. Hit that subscribe button and we can grow the makeup community and make it a really fun, positive place to be. So I have a whole bunch of new stuff to try out, and I figure first we'll start with foundation. And so today we are trying out the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. It is available in 45 shades. That is awesome. And it retails for $14.99 at Ulta, which is also awesome. They're doing a sale right now. They're doing a buy two get one free sale at Ulta. So now's kind of a good time to go get your NYX products. So I am going to see what they say about the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, and then we'll try it out and see what we think. All right. Lightweight, waterproof, and pigmented AF, NYX Professional Makeup's Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation hustles as hard as you do. This comfy liquid formula comes in 45 flattering shades that don't transfer. Every creamy shade glides on smooth, delivering matte coverage and color that stays true for up to 24 hours. Now, I'm not going to try it for 24 hours. My pores don't like that. This little overachiever also works to control shine and mattify your complexion all day long. But it doesn't stop there. This foundation is non-comedogenic and suitable for normal, oily, combination, and sensitive skin types. Prep your face for 24 hours of slay with NYX Professional Makeup's Can't Stop, Won't Stop Matte Primer, sold separately. I use my regular primer because that way I know that it's a foundation. I mean, if their primer doesn't work for me, then, you know, it kind of affects how I feel about the foundation. So let's try this out. All right, I'm going to put a couple pumps on my handy dandy little palette here. All right, it's a little liquidy, not too bad. Just a little. And I have my Real Techniques sponge. And oh, okay. It does have pretty good coverage. I don't know if I call that a really full coverage. Maybe a medium to full so far, because I can kind of see my skin peeking through, but that's a good thing. I don't want to look like I'm wearing a mask. I have got some full coverage foundations that, yeah, you can't see any of my skin. Oh, wow. Okay. Got to say it does glide on smoothly, at least with the sponge. I'm going to see if it's buildable also. I think one coat's all I'm going to need, but we'll build it just to see if it is buildable for those who have rosacea or things like that that I want to cover. Oh, I like this so far. Okay. Goes on very smoothly, at least with the sponge. And 45 shades, I like that. Everybody can find their color. So that's one of my pet peeves is, you know, here's this great product, but only half of you can use it. You know, we Americans come in many flavors. Okay. Now, I can definitely see where it's not really true full coverage, but so far I like it. So far I really like it. It blends very easily. Okay, I'm going to go over my cheek a little here to see if it is buildable. Okay, that gave me a full coverage. Tapping it on. Okay. Well, so far, I like it. Let's see how it does with concealer and the powder. $14.99. What the heck? I think we might have found a good one here. Alright, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. See how it layers. Okay, so far it's layering pretty well. Yeah, alright. It has to play well with my regular concealers, otherwise I can't use it. Okay. Now I'm going to try the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and see how it plays with that one. Just put a little highlight here with those. A little more here. Alright, this one seems to be sitting a little more on the top. But it does seem to be doing pretty well. Okay. This is one of my concealers I use often. Alright, let's try it with powder. See how it does. See if it grabs the powder or lets the powder float on top of it. I'll check in a little bit to see how it wears. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty powder and see how it does. This is so scented. Oh, ugh. I just got a snoot full of the scent. Oh, it dissipates quickly though, and it's worth it because I love this powder. Okay, it didn't grab onto the powder at all. Make it stick in certain places. So, alright, as far as application goes, I give this a big thumbs up. Coverage, I also give it a thumbs up. It's not, I wouldn't be scared, you know, you see full coverage. I don't think it's super full coverage, but it is covering everything, and it did build pretty well. Let's take a close-up look. Alright, that is stunning. That is stunning. Okay, well, I'm going to see how this wears, and I will check back in with you guys, but so far, I have got to say I'm impressed, and I like it. So I will check in here in a couple hours and see how it wears. I'll do the rest of my face and let you guys know. So I will see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so I am back. And it's been about 3 hours. I gave this a workout. I cleaned, which I don't know about you guys, but when I clean, it is a workout. So I've been sweating. I ran to the store in the rain, and I have got to say that this still looks really good. I don't have any oil breakthrough. It hasn't separated. And yeah, so I've got to give this a thumbs up. So the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation, available in 45 shades, $14.99 at Ulta. Right now they're doing a buy two get one free with NYX. Now's the time to go get it. I have got to say total thumbs up on this one. Absolutely love it. So that does it for today. If you love makeup, if you are a makeup pro, makeup maven, if you're new to makeup, hit that subscribe button and join the makeup community. I want it to be a real fun, positive, safe place to be, just to talk about makeup, learn new things, teach other people things, and just have fun with it. So that is it. I will talk to you guys down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.